Hello everyone, my name is Deborah Cumberledge and I'm the Youth Outreach Specialist for the Adams County Public Library. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we are talking about back to school. It's that time of year again for people to start getting back to school, so that's what we're going to talk about today. We have a fun story about a cat who is going to school. Now, this cat, he's in a lot of books, so maybe you've read some other books about this cat. His name is Pete the Cat. So have you read any stories about Pete the Cat? Yeah? Well, this book I actually got off the library's resource, Hoopla, and you can check out books with your library card and read them on your tablet, your smartphone, your computer. It's really awesome. There's tons of awesome books, so be sure to check it out, okay? So this story is called Pete the Cat Rocking in My School Shoes. And Pete has these shoes that he really likes, and they help him out when he's at school. You can see his cool red shoes. Do you all have a favorite pair of shoes? Yeah? Okay, well let's see about Pete and his shoes. Pete the Cat, Rocking in My School Shoes. This book was written by Eric Litwin and illustrated by James Dean. It was published in 2011 by HarperCollins Publishers. Pete the Cat, Rocking in My School Shoes. Here comes Pete, strolling down the street, rocking red shoes on his 4 furry feet. Pete is going to school, and he sings this song. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. Pete is sitting at his desk when his teacher says, "Come on, Pete, down that hall to a room with books on every wall." Where is Pete going? Do you know? That's right! The library! Pete has never been to the library before. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He finds his favorite book and sings his song. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. Check out Pete. He's ready to eat. In a big, noisy room with tables and seats. Where is Pete? Do you know? That's right, the lunchroom. It can be loud and busy in the lunchroom. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He sits down with his friends and sings his song. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. Pete and his friends are playing outside on a green, grassy field with swings and tall slides. Where is Pete? Good guess. The playground. Do you like to go to the playground? It's pretty fun. Kids are running in every direction. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He slides and swings and sings his song. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. All day long, Pete sings his song. I'm singing in my school shoes. I'm painting in my school shoes. I'm adding in my school shoes. I'm riding in my school shoes. When school is done, Pete rides the bus home. Pete's mom asked him, "What did you do at school today?" And Pete says, "I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. And I will do it again tomorrow." Because it's all good. The end. Well, I hope you enjoyed that story about Pete. And now we're going to sing a song. Perhaps you know it. Do you know the song, The Wheels on the Bus? Okay, well, we're going to sing it so you can join me. Let me show you the motions, okay? So the wheels on the bus are going to go round and round. And the door on the bus is going to go open and shut. And the wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. And the horn on the bus is going to go beep, beep, beep. And the people on the bus go up and down. And the babies on the bus go where, where, where. And the mommies on the bus go shh, shh, shh. All right, let's try it. Are you ready? The wheels on the bus. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The door on the bus goes open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The door on the bus goes open and shut, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The babies on the bus go where, 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 where. The babies on the bus go where, where, all through the town. And the mommies on the bus go shh, 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 shh. The mommies on the bus go shh, 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 all through the town. Last verse. The people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town. Great job, guys. There's going to be a link down below for a craft that you can make at home. It's a paper plate school bus. It's really easy to make. The link has the instructions, but I'll just go through them really quickly with you. You take a paper plate, you cut it in half. Now, the instructions say to paint the bus yellow. I don't have any paint in my house, so I just colored it with crayons. But you could use markers if you wanted, and you don't have to have a yellow school bus. It's your artwork, so you can use any color you want to, okay? There's also a paper you can print out for the shapes to add on your bus. We have squares and triangles and circles and one big rectangle. So you're going to glue those shapes on the bus. Now you might need an adult to help you cut out those shapes, so don't use scissors by yourself. And then there you are. You have a cute little school bus. Thank you for joining me today, guys. Please stay safe and healthy, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.